Fix 1. Perform disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in Windows search and hit enter. If your Windows is installed on Drive C, pick it from the list, it should be by default, and press OK. Click Clean Up System Files. Select your main disk again and click OK. Here, select the largest portions of the data used. These typically include temporary internet files, Windows Update, temporary files, recycle bin, delivery optimization files, and others. Click OK. The process should be finished shortly. Fix 2. Repair corrupted system files. Type in CMD in Windows search. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the User Account Control window, click Yes. Then, copy and paste the following command, pressing Enter after. SFC/scan now. Wait till the scan is finished. If Windows finds system file integrity violations, it will attempt to fix them. After this, use the set of the following commands, pressing Enter each time. DISM/online/cleanupimage/checkhealth. DISM/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Note: if you get an error executing this last command, add /source/c:\repair source\windows/limit access to it and try again. Close down the command prompt and restart your device. Fix 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Type Troubleshoot in Windows search and hit Enter. Select Additional Troubleshooters/Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update from the list and select Run the Troubleshooter/Run. Wait till the scan is finished. You will be provided with potential causes so you can proceed with fixes. If no suggestions were given, proceed with the solutions below. Fix 4. Use Media Creation Tool. Visit the official Microsoft website and download Windows 10 installation media, Windows 11 version. Double-click the installer, select Yes when UAC shows up, and agree to the terms. Select the ISO file and click Next, then follow the instructions to finish the process. Right-click on ISO and click Mount. Open the location of the ISO, right-click on it and select Mount. Launch the installer. Select Upgrade this PC now and click Next. Windows will start downloading the needed files. Agree to the terms once again and click Next. Before installing, ensure you are happy with your choices. Otherwise, you can click the Change What to Keep option. And that's how you fix the Windows 11 update error 0x800f0983 and successfully install update KB5063878. If this helped solve your problem, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future Windows fixes or update tutorials. Still stuck or getting a different error? Drop your message in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Stay updated, stay secure.